Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at the Dakota and how I got it from this at the start of the week to this, a reasonably looking model by the end of this week. If you've been following since the start of the Dakota video series, you'll know I've had some fit issues. Now, I have put some Humbrol model filler in there to hopefully plug that gap up. It's my first time using Humbrol model filler, so I'm pretty happy of how it turned out. It could have been better and I could have added more in, but at the end of the day, it's all about modelling, and yeah, I like it. Applying the model filler, I decided to paint the main fuselage. As you can see, there could have been more filler applied, but I still think it looks much better than it would have done with that big gap. Actually, I decided to continue building the model, and I continued on with the steps, creating the wing ruts and supports, and gluing them to the main section of the fuselage. Fortunately, all my footage of me actually putting the kit together I literally got lost in the hard drive, so I only have photos, so apologies about that. But this is the final look. Quite a few gaps in this kit, so of course I was able to use my model filler more and more and more. So as you see, I've gone around all the seam lines and made sure there's no holes. Model filler can be bought very cheaply, and it is essential for making a crisp, clear model if you want to start making your models a bit more realistic and actually getting that money worth out of the model. This is what the kit is looking like now. We have added the final sections of the main section, so we've just got the engines to go, the undercarriage and some of the doors to go, but overall it's looking pretty good right now. I also have used the pencils to go over the panel lines, and I'm going to do another section of paint over the top to make sure I can get that pre-shading. This is the first time I've done this technique, as I haven't ever pre-shaded before, and I'll let you know how that turns out. Hopefully it'll turn out well. That is the end of the Dakota video. I hope you enjoyed, and it is a work in progress. These videos aren't the best, but I'm trying my best to improve and learn every time. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more of my videos and follow more of the Dakota videos, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next video, stay safe, keep modelling, and have fun. This is Dominator675 signing off.